Guys, my name is Abhay Bhatia. I'm from John Gall Zinga Technologies, and today I'm here to talk about cold galvanization or film galvanization. This is mainly used for protecting structures which are already installed at site, and mainly it's a big problem because you cannot dismantle structures and take them back for regalvanization. So this technology will help you protect those structures which are already installed. Now, Zinga is basically, I'm going to show you that this is a steel plate which is coated with Zinga. And what we have done is we've buffed it. We've sort of, chipped it off and to show you that Zinga is having active cathodic protection as well as this is active cathodic protection as well as passive barrier protection. So it's a two-in-one solution. We all know that paint is a barrier protection. It will form a barrier between the metal and the environment. But the problem is that this barrier can be broken into easily due to some scratching, damage, chipping, peeling off, etc. Once it's peeling off, paint just sort of comes off. The whole chipping and the peeling off continues throughout the structure, and it becomes a contact for corrosion to take place. So I'm going to quickly share a presentation that will highlight the benefits of having Zinga. You can just see it right now. So Zinga is active cathodic protection and passive barrier protection, where in the form of paint, it's in a paint form. You can apply it like how you apply conventional paint using a airless spray, brush, roller, conventional spray, anything like that. And it contains both active cathodic protection and passive barrier protection. The cathodic protection is due to the percentage of zinc which is present in dry film thickness. The solution is 96% zinc with 99.995% purity in dry film thickness. This is the purest zinc and the highest content of zinc available commercially. The best part is it gets touch dry in 10 minutes. So the application process is very fast. Although you need to prepare the surface, you need to do a surface preparation of SA 2.5. So you need to do either grid blasting or using wire brush and getting that SA 2.5 finish, because all the impurities, all the mill scale, etc., needs to be removed before you can apply it. Zinga has to be applied over the parent metal. And once it is applied in 10 minutes, it gets touch dry and it forms a bond with the underlying metal. Now it has an unlimited shelf life, so you can keep it for as long as you want it. And it has almost unlimited pot life. It is also portable, so you can sort of drink water out of a container containing Zinga. So that makes it very useful for ductile iron pipes or water pipes. Our major customers are ductile iron pipe manufacturers. And in terms of application, this is a perfect remedy to apply over hot dip galvanized structures. Now, hot dip galvanization is a process where I'm putting zinc onto the parent metal. So Zinga complements that. So after a few years, when you see that the hot dip layer is starting to get corroded, you need to just clean the surface and then apply Zinga, and it will form a homogeneous layer with the zinc in the hot dip galvanized layer. So as a result, it is rechargeable. So suppose I have applied Zinga today, or suppose I've done hot dip today. After 30 years, when I sort of apply it again, it will again form a homogeneous layer. Each year, the thickness keeps reducing because it is a process where the zinc is sacrificing itself to the atmosphere. It is a one-pack system, so its application is very easy. You just need to dilute it with Zinga Sol, which is the solvent required for this. It is approved in the Indian Railways. It is already there in the schedule of rates. We've applied Zinga in the north, east, west, and south over bridges. It is now under advanced stages of approval for long life. This is some pictures where we have applied Zinga. You can see that metallizing causes some corrosion like this on the left. This bridge was 25 years old. We did surface preparation. So the hard work is mainly doing the surface preparation, but that is needed if you want your corrosion protection for 20-25 years. And then we've applied 2 coats of Zinga. This is in the Pambam viaduct, which is there in the south. again, the corrosion environment as per ISO 12944 is C5, which is extremely corrosive, which means it's over water. So there also we applied Zinga. This has also been approved by MMRDA, and we have applied Zinga on 8 foot-over bridges in Mumbai from Jogeshwari to Dahisar. What we've done is, you can see that this is already there in the schedule of rates. We've applied a base coat of Zinga. We've done 80 microns of Zinga. Plus, we've applied Alu ZM, which is the silver top coat containing 92% zinc, 4% aluminum. So we've used this as a top coat. As a result, it gives a bright silver finish. And 8 FOBs in Bombay, as you see, they've been applied successfully. It's also been approved in Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, BMC. And the biggest application has been for the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link project, where temporary bridge structures were manufactured by our sister concern John Galt International. And we have applied 2 coats of 40 microns on these structures. And the environment is again C5. So more than 20,000 square meter application has been done. Other testimonials are from Mumbai Airport Terminal 1B departure, where the trusses base coat has been Zinga and then a white top coat has been applied. DY Patil Stadium, Wankhede Stadium, everywhere we've been applying there. And it's also being used for ductile iron pipes. It's used in ONGC for rigs, and it is being used for pipelines. So it's very useful there if you want 15 to 20 years corrosion protection. It is approved by EIL, it's approved by IIT, it is approved by VJTI. So all the leading institutions have tried, tested and approved it. We have all testimonials available on request. You can apply it on old hot dip structures or new structures. You can apply it on structures which have been metallized, or thermal zinc spray has been applied. And whichever areas are getting damaged due to welding, cutting, etc., where sharp edges are there, you can apply it. So one good feature of Zinga is that if I weld a structure, usually which has been painted, the paint burns off. In this case, the passive barrier layer burns off, but the active cathodic layer is still there, and you can just apply Zinga on it. You need to do surface preparation, that is very important, and you can apply it using brush, spray, roller, and it takes 48 hours for a full dry. And one big advantage is the speed, because since we are applying less coating, that means we are applying only 180 microns in a scenario where normally my paint thickness with epoxy would be 320 micron. I'm applying only 180 microns. So the amount of coat needed or amount of Zinga needed is far less. And the time needed to apply is within a day itself. You can do it what normally would take 4 days due to high drying time. Humidity helps Zinga because the zinganization process takes place faster. And besides this, our products are basically, like I said, Alu ZM is a top coat having 92% zinc and 4% aluminum. Tar free is comparable to coal tar for submerged underwater structures or where the splash zone is very high. We also have sprays. So, we've got 2 sprays. This is the regular Zinga spray, which is now made in India. And this is the aluminum spray, which is Zinga plus aluminum. So Zingalu spray is there. This will give you a galvanized color. This will give you a steel gray color. So these sprays are also available, and some more pictures are there. And that's it. So I urge you to invite us for a presentation or to discuss any of your upcoming projects. We'll be happy to meet. We'll be happy to do a trial application on a no cost, no commitment basis. Thank you very much. And do let us know if you have any corrosion related issues. Thanks a lot.